HD Human Library is a high-definition set of 1,483 specialty sound effects selected from Sound Ideas General HD Combo Collection. All digitally recorded at 24-bit 96K, these broadcast wave files are fully embedded with metadata. And each HD Human hard drive also comes equipped with 1644.1, 1648, and 2448 audio files. From laughter to screams, single voices to cheering crowds, and sighs to sneezes, these outstanding specialty sound effects need to be heard to be believed. So here we go. The HD Human Library also includes a complimentary copy of Sound Ideas MetaDigger software, an easy-to-use program designed to display, search, and export metadata details from broadcast wave and MP3 audio files. The HD Human Library, available only from Sound Ideas.